Okay, now from the main setup operation, in your main screen, push the back button, and this gives you a menu of items. You got service, data, relays, advanced, LAN, security, relay type, and system. So we'll start with the service menu, which that gives us ability to do manual relays. Once you're in there, you can push on, and the default manual relay time is 2 minutes. So that means you can turn it on and it will count down from 2 minutes down to 0, and then it shuts itself off and goes back into normal operation. This is good because a lot of times people out in the field may want to add some chemical manually and forget to turn it off, and that's not a good thing. You can also change your manual relay time in the relay programming that we'll get to a little bit later. Okay, now we also have calibration. We can calibrate some ORP, and that feature can be turned on or turned off in another menu, but we find that can be helpful for people standardizing a little bit on their pools so that they can all be similar instead of all over the place. Also got pH and temperature. You can also clear your calibrations, and then go down here and you can calibrate your parts per million sensor. Typically you'll want to leave that alone, even if the ppm isn't exactly matching up to your test kit, because this will take a DPD reading either every 10, 20, 30, or 60 minutes. So this isn't always real time. You'll just have to, let it go. If it goes through a cycle and then you see that it's not reading correctly, you can change that. But also you can, if you need to, you can just calibrate the ppm to what your hand kit says. It will store that reading and then adjust itself accordingly the next time it takes a DPD sample. Also, you'll notice that on the calibrations, if you go up here, you'll see, sorry I overshot that, but you'll see here on the right, they'll say a percentage, and that'll be a plus or minus percentage, which will help you in diagnosing if you have a problem with your sensor. Typically, if your percentage is around 70% or higher, then you should probably look at replacing that particular sensor.